Hey, what's up guys, it's Swapnil Shukla, and in this video I'll going to show you the biggest bug of iPhone and how you can solve it. So basically this bug is due to the Unix, which was launched in 1971. Since the iOS is Unix based system, this problem occurs. Please don't try this in your phone. If you change your date to 1st January 1970 and restart your phone, it will stuck. So there is no other way to get your device data back unless you remove your battery, else you go to gallery. I'll show you how you can remove your battery and get your device on work again. You have to remove this battery for at least 30 seconds, and after that you have to connect it and start your phone. So that's all you have to do, and finally you get your phone. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching this video.